Collaboration is one of the strongest features of the Data Stewardship Wizard. Because research is often a team effort, the tool makes it easy for researchers to share their projects with colleagues and work on them together online. The Data Stewardship Wizard provides a range of user roles and permissions, allowing project owners to control who has access to their projects and what they can do. In the Projects menu, users can see all projects they have created. They can also filter to see other users' projects by selecting them, but they will only be able to see those projects once they have been shared with them. Let's take a look at one project to learn how to share them and start collaboration. By default, a project is only visible to the user who created it and the instance administrator. However, this can be changed in the Share menu if collaboration with others is desired. The Share button is located in the top right corner of the project detail. It can be used to do three things. Invite users who are already logged into the instance to collaborate on the project. Users are selected from a filter, and each user can be assigned one of the following roles: viewer, commenter, editor, or owner. Second, they can set the project to be visible to all other users logged into the instance and assign roles to them. Lastly, they can generate a public link that allows anyone to access the project even without logging into the instance. When the project is shared with a user, they will get notified by email. The roles in Data Stewardship Wizard are as follows. Viewer can view the project, metrics, preview, and documents, but cannot make any changes or generate new documents. Commenter can do everything a viewer can do and can also leave comments on questions. Editor can do everything mentioned before and can also edit the project by changing answers, setting to-dos on them, seeing version history, creating documents, and writing editor notes. Owner has the highest level of access and can do anything with the project, including changing, sharing, and project settings. The owner role is also the default role for the user who created the project. The online presence of other users in a project is indicated next to the Share button by their profile picture. Users can not only work together on answering questions, but they can also communicate about them using three features. First are comments. To create a comment, users need to have at least a commenter role in the project. Clicking on the icon next to the question lets users write a comment visible to anyone with a commenter role or higher. Users can reply to comments, mark them as done, or delete them. Second way to communicate is using editor notes. These can be written by anyone with an editor role or higher and are only visible to the same roles. Editor notes can be useful for discussing changes to the questionnaire. The last communication tool is called To-Do. Users with an editor or owner role can create to-dos by clicking the To-Do button next to a question. The number of to-dos is indicated numerically, and a list of links to questions marked as to-do is also available. The version history allows researchers to see who made what changes and when they were made, making it easy to keep track of project progress.